Okay, Mr. Freeman,
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
how are you?
I'm fantastic. How are you?
I am fine. You're representing Mr. Tymon, strike that, Tymon Humphrey, is that correct?
Yes, and he's seated here with me in my conference room.
Okay, Mr. Humphrey, state your name for the record, please.
Tymon Humphrey.
All right, this calling case number 240-593-8401. Houston, Michigan versus Tymon Humphrey. Appearances, please.
Lisa Coyle appearing on behalf of the people.
And I am John Freeman. I'm retained counsel for Mr. Humphrey, who is here with me via Zoom. We appreciate being able to do this via Zoom.
Wait for my reading, stand mute.
Yes.
All right, court, not guilty plea on behalf of your client, Mr. Freeman. Mr. Freeman, what is your P number?
71450.
71450. Okay, what is your bond recommendation, Mrs. Coyle?
In his record of 2020 OWI, as well as the 2022, 2 counts of delivery that he was convicted of. He has pending right now in Oakland County, 7 counts of delivery. He received a $5,000 personal bond from that case. This is a buy and bust situation. He also had a large quantity of drugs pursuant to the search warrant in his home, about 447 grams of fentanyl, 65 grams of cocaine, 2 guns, cutting agents, packaging materials, scales, and proof of residency were found. Your Honor, I'm asking for a $5,000 cash surety bond. I do see that he is appeared, he does have retained counsel. So I do not see anything as a capious in his record as to his other cases. So I'm asking for that basically nominal cash bond.
Okay, Mr. Freeman, your response?
Your Honor, I don't think that a cash bond is necessary. I have been representing Mr. Humphrey since approximately January. I'm sorry, strike that. The buy bust that was referred to all occurred in January of this year. My client was not taken into custody by law enforcement, nor was he taken into custody by law enforcement at the time of the search warrant. He had prior counsel that was working with the detectives. I then came in and had also been in contact with the detectives. I represent him on the Oakland County case, and we appeared voluntarily in that particular case after being in direct contact with the investigating detectives out of Oakland County. Ms. Coyle is correct. He was released on a $5,000 personal bond out of Waterford. That case is pending in the Oakland County Circuit Court. And we frankly have just been waiting on the Wayne County matter to sort of catch up. The 2 cases are inextricably interwoven, but for the fact that they are in 2 different counties, they're essentially part of a bigger picture, that being the alleged narcotics that were being sold were being kept at a residence in Wayne County. My client fully recognizes the scope of the consequences that he is facing. He has not run away and has in fact been in every single court appearance. I actually got a courtesy call from the Oakland County detectives on Friday morning indicating that they had just sworn out the warrant in this particular case. That would have been the 13th of September. And my office made immediate arrangements to get my client in front of this court so that he could be arraigned. If he was a risk of flight, he'd have been gone a long, long time ago. I think any dangerousness or perceived dangerousness to the community can be addressed by conditions of bond. He's performed flawlessly on bond in Oakland County, and I'd ask that you set a personal bond so that we can now move forward towards a global resolution of these matters.
Is your client employed?
He is. He has an LLC that he works with rental properties, and he flips houses, but that's his employment.
Okay. Given the non-assaultive nature of this offense, the fact that he's got a judge in Oakland County saw fit to give him a personal bond, I'm going to give him a personal bond as well. who does not appear to be a flight risk nor a significant danger to the community. $10,000 personal bond. No drugs, sir, while this case is pending. Probable cause, September 24th. Preliminary examination, October 1st. Both in front of Judge Marlena Taylor. Have a good day. Thank you, counsel.
September 24 and October 1st, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the times on those, please?
At 9 a.m.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. All
Bye-bye.
right, gentlemen at DDC, what's your name?